Welcome to Energy News, and I'm Daniel Trader. Now to the energy farms with Mr. Carr, Wally, and Bloat.
Wally. First, we'll be talking about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy creates heat through the fission process where the atoms split. Some of the advantages of nuclear energy is that it produces tons of energy and is a renewable resource. And some materials are from water. It also has less pollution, and the turbines are inspected to make sure they are safe. Though some disadvantages are the turbines can explode and release radioactive materials which can damage human cells. This process is expensive though. Some uses of this energy is that it generates electricity, turns water to energy, produces heat, and helps for research and illnesses. And now I'll be talking to you about geothermal energy. Geothermal power gets its energy by hot magma. The magma is found in liquid form in the core of the earth. Some advantages of this is it releases its renewable, non-harmful, low emissions, and it generates electricity. Though some disadvantages are, there are only a few places where magma comes close to the Earth's surface. If not, you have to drill an expensive well. Some uses of this energy are it heats water, heats air, and generates electricity. Wind. Wind is a great energy source because it can produce large amounts of electricity by using turbines. This is a fast-growing energy source and it uses no pollution. Wind farms are places with many turbines and they make no pollution. Unfortunately, it's not windy all the time, and wind farms provide less than 1% of the world's winds. Wind is a renewable resource. Natural gas. This energy source is very useful because it has many uses, including gasoline, heating oil, diesel fuel, and many more. Natural gas is also easy to transport once pipelines are built. Unfortunately, this gas produces carbon dioxide and is highly flammable. This is also a non-renewable resource.
Petroleum. Petroleum is a very important power source. It is also called gas. Petroleum gets its power by heat and pressure underground to form gas. The source is from the sun to provide heat to make the gas underground. There are many advantages of petroleum. One advantage is that it's an excellent source of organic molecules. There are also many disadvantages. One disadvantage is that we're running out of petroleum. This is what could happen if we were to run out of all oil. This is what can happen when you run out of gas. Hydropower. Hydropower is also a very important energy. This energy uses the kinetic energy of moving water to make electricity. It gets its energy from the sun heating water on the Earth's surface, forming water vapor. There are many advantages of hydropower. One advantage is that flowing water can turn a turbine and generate electricity. There are also many disadvantages of this energy form. One disadvantage is that dams are extremely expensive to build and must be built to a very high standard. The uses of this energy form is to turn wooden wheels that were attached to grinding wheels to grind flour and corn. And breaking news, we have 2 more energy sources for you.
Hello, I'm Eeyore. Here to let you on this inside scoop for coal and coal mines. A new coal mine has been discovered underneath the McDonald's. Unfortunately, the McDonald's was destroyed and thousands of overweighted civilians went mad. Coal gets its form from plant remains. Did you know that some coal mines are too deep underground, making it almost impossible to obtain coal? You can even die of black lung by breathing in too much coal dust. There are some alternatives though. Coal is the most plentiful fossil fuel in the United States. It's fairly easy to transport, used for heat, and provides a lot of energy when burned. 5 hours later. This is really boring. If you has been used for heat for thousands of years. Hello, I'm Eeyore, here to tell you about solar power and its energy. It's power from the sun. Without the sun, we could not survive. We can change the sunlight directly to electricity by using solar cells. Here are some uses of solar power. Plants use the sun's light to make food. No duh. Animals eat plants for food. The point is that hundreds of millions of years ago, decaying plants produced the soil, oil, and natural gas that we use today.